My name is Talia. I'm the Curator of Nutrition at the Lodge at Woodloch. I'm a holistic nutritionist and a whole food chef. And today I'm going to make homemade hummus. Now, hummus is a lovely dish that many of us are enjoying these days, and I will show you how easy it is to make it at home. A staple of the Mediterranean cuisine, and the ingredients are very simple and straightforward. So basically there are three main ingredients, and these are the chickpeas, the garbanzos, and I'm using already pre-cooked, and if you buy them organic and look for the label BPA free, you really don't need to worry of soaking them and cooking them. So you can use them right away, straight from the can, maybe give them a little rinse. Lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. I love to squeeze the lemons with this beautiful tool, makes it really easy and nice, but definitely make sure to use fresh lemons. Don't get the one that's squeezed in the supermarket. Fresh lemons. And tahini. The tahini is basically sesame seeds grounded into a paste. You can find it in many supermarkets these days, and those are the main three ingredients. Now, I like to say that food is medicine and you are what you eat. So this assemblage that we have, or what we call the mise en place, is where all the nutrients are. And if the kitchen is our pharmacy, our spices are like the spice cabinet is our medicine cabinet. So as far as spices, to spice it up a notch, I'm going to use good high quality sea salt, some cumin, and paprika. Then roasted garlic. You don't have to roast the garlic. You can use fresh raw garlic, but when you roast it, it's a little sweeter and milder. So that's another benefit. Fresh parsley from our garden. And I save some of the chickpeas for the garnish later. I often like to have for the garnish some of the ingredients that are in the recipe. So you can keep some on the side. And then, of course, some good high quality olive oil. Olive oil is the staple oil in the Mediterranean diet. It's been around for thousands of years. And when you use olive oil, please make sure you're using fresh, good, high quality, preferably organic olive oil. So those are the ingredients, and let's get started. So we're going to make hummus, which has become a very popular dish. And many of us are enjoying it, but I want to show you how simple it is to make it, so everybody can make it at home. The ingredients are very simple and are found anywhere. We're starting with three main ingredients: the chickpeas, the garbanzo beans. They are already pre-cooked, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and tahini. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, I emphasize, very important. I love this tool. Don't buy the lemon juice that already squeezed. Just spend the time, take another minute, and freshly squeeze your lemon juice. You get all the vitamin C, all the health benefits of the lemons, the antioxidants. And the sesame seeds, the tahini, is basically sesame seeds that are grounded into a paste. Very rich with magnesium, potassium, iron, calcium, lots of minerals, and healthy fats. So those are the first three main ingredients that I will going to put in the food processor. Then, as far as spices, a little bit of salt, cumin. Cumin is known to help digestion. And I'm looking at all those spices also as medicinal. So look at your kitchen as your pharmacy, and your spice cabinet is your medicine cabinet. Then some spicy paprika for garnish, a little bit of parsley, roasted garlic, maybe some pine nuts, and good high quality olive oil to drizzle at the end on the whole dish to bring it all together. So those are the ingredients, and let's get started assembling everything together. So I'm going to use a food processor. Hopefully all of you have a food processor at home. You don't need to have such a big one. A small one would do the same job. And I'm just starting to put things together. So let's add the chickpeas. Now the tahini goes in. Nice and creamy. The lemon juice. Okay. I leave some food to the end because sometimes it's nice to taste and then you can always add more. And now as far as our spices, some good quality salt. I like sea salt or Himalayan salt, Celtic salt, good nice salt. A pinch of cumin. And let's add some of our roasted garlic. Goes in. And that's it. Now I'm going to blend it. Okay, and I will show you how to plate it now. All right. So you can serve it in individual dishes as a snack, or you can serve it as a main dish, actually, in a main plate, or also family style, and everybody can help themselves. So right now, I'll just show you a more of an individual dish. And take this. Okay. And now what we like to do is create an indentation like that, like a little pool. And now I'm going to drizzle the olive oil as a garnish. There you go. I love to save the olive oil for the end. Now, olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet. It's very healthy for us. It has antioxidants, polyphenol, and use it without really worrying about the fact that it's fattening, because it's the good fat. Okay, fat is not the enemy. Fat is good for us. People have been enjoying good olive oil for thousands of years. So we have it here. Now a sprinkle of nice chopped parsley from our garden. Smoked paprika, just for color pop. Let's use some of our garbanzos also on top of the dish, so people know that's inside and outside. And maybe we can top it with some toasted, lightly toasted pine nuts. And now it's ready to enjoy.